Welcome to Carroll's Auto Repair, your trusted ADAS recalibration experts. At Carroll's Auto Repair, we understand how crucial advanced safety features are in your vehicle. We specialize in ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems recalibration, ensuring your car's safety systems operate at their best. Why choose Carroll's Auto Repair for ADAS services? Advanced technology. Our workshop is equipped with the latest technology for ADAS recalibration. We ensure every recalibration, from adaptive cruise control to collision avoidance systems, is precise and meets manufacturer standards. Certified expertise. Our team comprises professionals who are not only highly trained but also certified in ADAS technology. They stay abreast of the latest developments in vehicle safety features, offering expert care for your car. Comprehensive ADAS solutions. We provide a full range of ADAS services, from routine checks to post-collision recalibrations. Our expertise covers adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, blind spot detection, emergency braking systems, and more. Collaborations for seamless service. We work closely with insurance companies and collision body shops, offering seamless ADAS recalibration services. Our partnerships ensure a hassle-free experience from start to finish. Customer-centric approach. Your satisfaction and safety are our highest priorities. We ensure you are fully informed about our procedures and guarantee that your vehicle's safety systems are functioning optimally before it leaves our facility. Carroll's Auto Repair, your partner in road safety.